I really wanna stay, I don't really wanna go, but I really need to know, can we get it together? Get it together. Get it together. Don't mind me, I'm smoking. But today, I'm gonna be getting my daughter a dog. And I'm so excited because she loves dogs. So yeah, come with me to get Rilla Bella a dog. So I'm in the store grabbing the cage and
This little ass dog.
that's my brother.
This little ass dog.
The cage and the dog food. So yeah.
She could take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. So some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind.
Rayla, you just got up? Huh? Look what mommy got. She just got up, y'all. She don't even know. Now you want to stop crying? She went right to y'all room. Don't do my baby hair because she just got up, so it's a little messy. See, she said dog. Aww. She said, sit down. I'm dead. Aw. You like it, mommy? Got your night-night on?
I'm too sexy for this chain, too sexy for your game, too sexy for this fame, yeah.